Today we will learn how as a teacher you will be able to use Mograsis for marking in attendance, communication with parent, uploading weekly plan and student observation entries in system. So I have just selected one teacher ID and I will enter with the password which is given to teacher. When I click on login, it will allow me to go in. Now let's start with attendance. To mark an attendance as a teacher, you click on menu and then click on attendance. You have option of homeroom attendance. So when you click on homeroom attendance, you will get to know your own homeroom. So click on name of the teacher, subject is attendance, date is by default current date, and click on submit. So then you will get to know the list of students. You have option to mark all present, and then you can mark somebody as an absent or somebody as a late. You need not submit. Once you select this one, it is saved. So this is how you will mark the attendance in homeroom. The next part is communication with the parent. So to do that, as a teacher, you can click on this communication icon here on the right hand side top. When you click on communication, it allows you to create a new communication. I can click. So now as in this teacher, I'm assigned to, she's assigned to these two classes. So you can select that and you get to know all the students in that. So you can select any particular student. You can add CC, let's say I wanted to add CC to Miss Lisa or employee, I will say, and Lisa. So I'm marking CC to her, test communication, and you can also upload the file if you have. So you're sending in communication to this parent and then it goes to CC to her also. You can upload file if you have, submit. When you do that, you can see the communication here. Now you can also reply to this communication. Let's say this is a communication which you have sent to parent and then you wanted to add something to it, you can. So this is a threaded communication. So if you click on print button, you will be able to even print that particular communication to if you wanted to keep a copy of it, or if you click a home button, you will get back to this particular screen again. So this is the communication option for teacher. Then we have something weekly plan. Now to upload weekly plan, you can go to an menu button, click on weekly plan. You have option class agenda creation. Here you can select the grade which you are assigned to. So as a teacher, this particular teacher is assigned to preschool and below. And I can now here I will add in one more subject, and you can upload the file. For example, I have a test file for uploading for parent, and I will say weekly agenda. You can write description here. Maybe this is for 1st of May till 10th of May. I'm just writing is an example and save. So if you click here visible to parent portal, it will be available for parents, and save. So it is saved successfully. If you go back and see it in agenda view for your class, your section, subject, and for a particular duration, let me see if I have. Now if you see here 5 days attendance, now it is not showing any data. So it has gone for an approval. So if I see here and on an approval screen with manager, so it has come here. Manager will be able to see that file or what you have uploaded. Select and click on approve. Once I approve that, as a teacher, you can see that here. So you can see now this file is there, and you can see the agenda, what is there. Now in case you wanted to make any changes, you can click on again on class agenda creation, click on agenda, select respect to class, select the subject, show that, and then you'll be able to update anything here, or you'll be able to add more file into it or delete it also. So let me delete this agenda. I should do it individually for that sections. So I'm deleting it for both and submit it. So that's how you will create the agenda and weekly plan, which will go to parent. Then the last part, which is a student observation. To do a student observation, you will go to student management, and then you have option of child observation new. So when you click on it, it will give you an option to add an observation to your class and submit. And you can see all the list of students which you are teaching. You can click on add, and then you can select. So this is what you are writing it manually in your the diary. So how he is feeling, you can have remark, which is not compulsory. So if I write anything like test and save, it will allow me to do that. Okay, let me try one more time now. Okay, it shows okay, details are already there. Do you want to update? Yes. Now I selected okay, he was feeling happy, and then I can put the comment here, test. And so anything you update here, it will come. So nappy change or what are the activity you have done, maybe circle time, and you can write more activities here in teacher remark, and you can update that. So when you update, it shows record updated successfully. So this is how you are going to add child observation. Now this will be available to parent also in the parent portal. Let me quickly show you how the parent are going to see it. So I will log into parent portal. So to log into parent portal, I will log into Amity Learning. This is the URL which we are using, and I have here one parent ID which I can use. And log in with. So as a parent, when they log in, they see this screen, and you can see it from here. They got an alert on communication from teacher, and then they have option of looking at child observation. So actually this is not the child which I entered the detail, but then when you enter the detail, they see it as a calendar view here. They click on that and they can see it. Similarly, when you mark attendance, they can see whether it is present, absent on this particular screen. And also when you upload an agenda, it will be shown in a weekly plan. So as a parent, whatever you have uploaded as a weekly plan, you can see it link here in parent portal weekly plan, and then they will be able to see whatever is uploaded. So it shows homework and study material. So that's all for teacher in Mugrasis at this particular stage. Thank you for watching.